Hey, 12766 Friar Street, Farmers Branch, Texas. This one is brand new on the market. Hey, it's built in 2020, 1,800 square feet, totally modern. Come with me, let's take a look. Step inside to find hardwood floors throughout the main living, dining, and kitchen areas. The gourmet kitchen features a modern design with white cabinets, herringbone backsplash, stainless steel appliances, a gas range, and an oversized granite island. Plus, there's a butler's pantry for added convenience. The open floor plan is perfect for both entertaining and daily living. Relax by the stone fireplace in the spacious living room. Off the garage, you'll find a mudroom and a separate laundry room with additional storage. Enjoy the outdoors on the covered patio and low-maintenance turf backyard. Hey, one of the things I love about this home is the primary bedroom. It has this great area, which is kind of a bump out, and what it is, it's a great spot for either exercise equipment, a home office, or just extra storage. And then if you look, it actually has a door to the outside, which gives you access to the backyard as well. This popular community offers fantastic amenities, including a swimming pool, playground, walking paths, dog park, amenity center, and fitness center. Hey, so once again, this is Sam Thomas with Providence Group Realty. Make sure you write this down, 12766 Friar Street, Farmers Branch. Schedule it today.